Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of gold and silver. I was just scrolling through everything. Everything is massively down. Yeah, I'm down too. Don't worry. I haven't sold anything. I'm still holding on through all this. But I'm just looking at this and we've got good technical patterns behind this. So it's weird that we just have these large sell-off days. But the whole market, it's all selling off. It could be like a liquidation event of some sort. But we'll take a look at the charts. I'll give you my financial opinion. Here we go. So let's start with the dollar. We've got the dollar here. Dollar's going up. It's hitting up on its upper resistance line here. That resistance line is this line going across with multiple hits here. The dollar's been moving up. We've got the 10-year yield basically, I mean, it's down a little bit, but it's still in this very strong uptrend. If this was a deflationary collapse type scare, you would see yields going down, but they're not. Yields are basically going up. So I think the pressure is mounting in stocks and bonds. People are selling those off and they're liquidating everything, at least from what I can tell. Because this is the TLT, the iShares 20-year Treasury bond ETF. You got the 10-year yield's down a little bit, but this is down too. And it has broken below its long-term trend line. And that's where we're at with bonds. And usually if you have bonds selling off like this, money is rotating. It's rotating into dollars at the moment. Gold down today. It's down $18, still above its breakout area, almost doing a full retest, perhaps. Silver's down as well, getting a little wick at the bottom, but still there's a lot of momentum behind this move. A lot of momentum. This is very strong sell-off days all through here. Again, I'm not doing anything with my shares and my physical. I'm not doing anything. Perhaps we head back down to this range in here. It's a possibility. 2250 or something like that for silver. Platinum's getting hit pretty hard. I threw on this other trend line here. This is a falling wedge. They usually break to the upside. This broke to the upside, but it is coming all the way back to do a retest move. We have another falling wedge, and that's what makes it weird. It makes it weird. We've got all the positive signs and technical chart patterns for a move higher. And then this past 3-4 days have just been brutal selling going on everywhere. Indiscriminate, like almost a deleveraging type event. We'll see where this thing ends up. It's going to take some time, guys. This is a lot of momentum that's getting sold off here. It's going to take some time. We've got the XAU to gold ratio. This thing is heading lower as well. So the mining companies are getting hit pretty hard. Again, long term, this was looking fantastic for a nice big move, break higher. And we hit our head on this resistance line, and we are moving back down again. We're back inside the car, so to speak. We've got Karora Resources down, but above its... I mean, it doesn't look bad, too bad. We might head lower here and come back here for a retest for Karora. EXK is getting sold off a little bit. Here we are getting sold off. Again, we are above the pattern. Everything looks good there. We've got a lot of momentum to work off. Fortuna Silver Mines got big selling pressure here, and we're still going. We've got SilJ. Yep, nice big strong selling pressure move. We can extend this line kind of out. There's your support line down there. We've got GDX. GDX also selling off some. Again, we're probably just doing this return move back to the top of the pattern. We've got MMNGF, another small silver exploration company, heading a little bit lower. Let's make a legit line here. Somewhere in that range. We'll see if this holds and if it gets back in the pattern next trading session. If it doesn't, we may head down a little bit lower. Koya Resources heading lower. We've got Discovery Silver. Yep, it is all. They're all heading lower, guys. Like it's the whole market, the whole sector, everything's selling off. We've got, AG selling off. We're still above the chart pattern. Newmont still above the chart pattern. That's the big support line above it. There's some buying pressure coming back in Newmont. That's good. Mag Silver still above its support line, but again, there's a lot of momentum heading lower. AUY, a little bit of a sell-off today. Doesn't look too bad compared to the other ones. Impact Silver selling off, a little bit of the wick at the bottom. Usually that means buyers are coming in, buying it up a little bit. Aftermath Silver. Let's get a line in here. It's basically there. There's your channel, bottom of the channel line. Again, good selling pressure. Arcana Silver Corporation, a little bit of a, it's down, but buyers are buying it up. That's why it's a green day. It's finishing higher than where it opened. Platinum Group Metals, hopefully we can find a bottom right where it's at. It's a hammer pattern. Hopefully we can get some buyers in here. Simony Stillwater still selling off, heading lower. Sandstorm Gold, looking at this. We've got resistance up there. It hit resistance, came on back. We got support underneath it here at 750. Franco-Nevada, another one that's, it broke out, and we're doing a retest move. We'll see if the support line holds. EMX, another one that actually doesn't look too bad. Big up day with the small little down days right underneath a breakout. So that one doesn't look too bad. Tune Resources, another one that's just moving sideways. A little bit of a down day today. We've got Wheaton Precious Metals down a little bit. Still above its big monster pattern, so everything still looks good there. Gold Royalty heading lower here. That one's got a lot of momentum behind it. MTA it's still above support. Hopefully the support down here holds for Metalla Royalty. Big picture view. Just trying to see if I see anything. I mean, we could still be in this corrective phase, and it just hasn't quite gotten completely done yet. We've got Mavericks Metals, another one that's heading lower, just like the rest. Royal Gold heading lower here. That one's basically at almost all-time highs. We've got a Cisco Gold Royalty, another one that's still above its pattern, just a little bit lower today. Doesn't look too bad. And then Altius Minerals coming back and doing a return move to its breakout point. So, yeah, we're getting sold off today. It's across the board. Everything's sold off. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the precious metals, energy, everything. It all sold off. Even bonds are selling off. Kind of weird that everything is selling off all together. So, again, I'm not doing anything. The underlying fundamental conditions all are positive for the entire commodity complex. No, I don't think we're at a top. No, I don't think there's a crash coming. This is a pullback, and you just have to live through it. That's part of the game. Pullbacks are part of the game. I'm not even going to log into my account today. Just let it go. Let it go. And guys, if you need some help with this stuff, Platinum membership, it's in the Finding Value website. If you have questions, we have a meeting tomorrow in the question and answer session. It's probably going to be pretty interesting because we've got some sell-off here and people are probably scared and whatnot. So come tomorrow, join Platinum membership, jump on the Zoom call. I did upgrade to larger Zoom meeting. If more people decide to attend, it can accommodate. So we'll see you tomorrow. If you're a Platinum member on the website, we can chat it all up and I'll answer your questions on what's going on. As far as I can tell, it's really just a sell-off. Everything is selling off. It's a pullback. So thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.